Are you waiting for the market to change before you make a move here? Well, you may want to see what the latest numbers are revealing because the Queensbury market data is showing some stuff that could save both buyers and sellers thousands of dollars here. So my name is Chris McMahon. I'm a local real estate agent right here in the Queensbury area. And we're going to be going over the real estate numbers that we've got for the month of May here in 2026. We're going to go over show you what's going on in the Queensbury market so you can make an informed decision when you're purchasing. So let's get right in here. We're going to move myself off to the side, and we're just going to dive straight into the numbers that we're showing right here, okay? So more choices because inventory has gone up, but things are still tight. It's still very much a seller's market right now, okay? But inventory is improving, which is good for the buyers out there. We've got 44 active listings with 38 new active listings that came out last month here that we're looking at, giving us 2 months supply of inventory. And we also have 27 current pendings that we saw in there. So there's more options on the market right now there for buyers. But there's also buyers are staying in the market. So sellers, there's people coming out buying. So well-priced homes are moving here and a lot of times getting overvalued. We're going to talk about that in a later slide here coming up here shortly. But as you can see right over here, both in the month of May of 2026, both right here, we're showing new listings increased as well as active inventory increased as well. So prices have rebounded a little bit. It's up 10% month over month. 410K is the median sales price, which is up a little over 1% from over the last year that we're seeing here. So the strength has returned here in May. The average price is a little over 450,000, so it's higher than the median that we got here. So things are sales are mixed up here a little bit. So still presentation for sellers is still a huge thing. You want to present your home well when you're out there. First impressions mean a lot. Getting a lot of eyes on it with correct marketing and great pictures and everything like that is all huge in getting eyes on your property. So people are coming and taking a look at these, okay? So what matters now? Okay, buyers, more choices. So there's more availability for you out there. But if you're not ready to make that move, you're not ready to make that offer, you're wasting precious time because there's competition out there for these properties too, okay? So sellers, there's still a leverage. It's still a seller's market. You got a lot of leverage here still, but buyers are gaining on you here. So competition has gone up with more inventory coming to the market. So it is important. Presentation and getting it out there and getting a lot of eyes on the property is hugely important. And also pricing is one of the number one key thing that you need to get going here, okay? Price it right. People will come and take a look at it. We're seeing homes that are priced correctly, getting multiple offers still, about 40% getting multiple offers and getting under contract within 7 days. So that's well below that 2-month average that we're seeing. And as you can see right down here, we still have 106.7% sales to list ratio. Those are homes that are priced correctly. If you're sitting on the market for 30, 60, 90 days, your home is not priced correctly. You need to really take a good look at that, okay? So good homes still move. And the middle lane here where homes are really flying off the market is that 400 range, 4 to 499 range in Queensbury. Rates continue to be the wild card that we're seeing here, okay? We're in the mid 6% as I checked earlier today, and it did drop slightly the last couple of days as we're going into it, but we're floating around the mid percent, a little bit on the lower half of that mid 6%. We did dip below 6% a couple months ago, and experts are still projecting that rate is to come down. We had that spike, it brought it back up, and it is kind of correcting down a little bit. It's been hovering around, 6.4 or so for about a month or so now. But experts are still saying for that those interest rates are going to come down, though we're not quite so sure we're going to see below 6% before the end of 2026. But anything can happen. We'll have to keep an eye on that. We'll keep tracking that, and I'll keep you updated with things are going on here with that, okay? Buyers are being selective when they're out there. Their strong listings still get the good attention, as we already mentioned, okay? That's pretty much a good national trend right now. So Queensbury, it's not slow, okay? It is not slow right now. It is more selective, more payment aware, and still competitive for the right homes that are getting out there. The game plan. Buyers, Get yourself pre-approved. Number one thing you got to do. So when you go out and you find the house that you're looking for, you're ready to make the move, as we talked about. Also, you're going to want to get property alerts sent straight to your inbox as they're making changes. It's linked to the MLS, not Zillow, not realtor.com. Okay, these are coming from the MLS. The changes there first. You're going to get notified before they're making their changes. I can't tell you how many times I get phone calls. People want to see a property and it's already pending or under contract and they don't even know it yet. So you're going to be those notifications sent straight to your inbox. Get yourself pre-approved. Know the area where you are looking in relation to schools, work, where you hang out, family and friends, all that good stuff. But another thing that you're really going to want to know here is make sure you know what you want in a home, okay? Your must-haves, nice-to-haves, and then, maybe could live without type of thing. So have those things there. Sellers, you want to launch correctly, okay? Get out there, professionally done pictures, social media campaign that's announcing, video tour that's going out on YouTube, and people are seeing that on YouTube so they can get a first look of that house without even setting foot in it. All right. One page website dedicated directly to your home. QR codes that putting on all marketing out there so people can scan with their phone and get it out there. 3D renderings, all kinds of stuff going on here. There's the list is too much to sell, but make sure you're taking advantage of all those things, getting people to say on there. So investors, here's a good thing. Love the Queensbury market. Not a lot of multifamilies in this property. So if you can find a multifamily that's in there that's for sale, it could be a good grab because it's an area people want to be in. So rents can be at a premium in here. But I would also say if you're in this area looking around, that a good strategy might be not necessarily a buy and hold unless maybe you're doing a short-term rental. But I would actually say this is a good area for a fix and flip. Okay, find an undervalued property that you can force some equity into and flip that around again. This is a great area because there's demand in the area. It catches a good price point. And if you get yourself a really good deal in here, you got yourself a gold mine as far as a great fix and flip on that one. So, my name again is Chris McMahon. Let's pull right down there. Local real estate in the area. So, if you got any questions, anything like that, if you found some value in this video, click subscribe on there because I do this video every month. We cover Queensbury, Saratoga, and all the surrounding areas and stuff like that. I also do other videos on just real estate in general, but get out there. If you have any questions, you want to help putting a plan together, of course, reaching out to me. My information is below. Call, text, email, whatever's easiest for you. Get a hold of me, and let's go ahead and we'll put a plan for you, whether you're buying or selling. If you're selling, I can also go through, let you know what your home could be worth on the market today.